Right now, we are tracking new developments in the COVID vaccine. Tonight, more vaccine boosters are on the horizon. Johnson & Johnson, the latest to get the thumbs up from an FDA panel. It follows Moderna's panel approval yesterday. But both still have to pass full FDA approval. Right now, Pfizer is the only one to have that full approval. There's a lot of curiosity to cut through with all of this, and that's what News 4's Russell Kinsall is doing for you tonight. He joins us live in Lafayette Square.
Yeah, Paige, I'm at the Walgreens here in Lafayette Square where you can get the vaccine or a Pfizer booster. And you know what? It's those boosters that are really popular right now.
Colleen Starkloff is immunocompromised because she's battling leukemia, so she made sure to get a booster shot of the Pfizer vaccine last month.
The amount of confidence it gives me and the amount of peace of mind it gives me is, I think there's no price you can put on that.
Kelly EDINGER is one of the 15 million Americans who got the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
I got it March 13th.
But since the J&J vaccine is only 72% effective, and after seeing people in Europe get booster shots for their one-and-done vaccine, she was determined to get one too. She called the CDC 4 times to ask their advice, but got the green light somewhere else.
Like an epidemiologist, immunologist, who had the Johnson & Johnson, and she openly said, hey, I just went and got me a booster. I think it's time you guys do too. And that was it for me.
She didn't wait for the FDA and CDC to okay a J&J booster.
I got a Pfizer dose.
At the Webster Pharmacy in Webster Groves, owner Steve Zielinski says the overload of info on booster studies has boosted confusion.
They're not sure what booster shot they should get. They might be concerned about, like, if I had, Pfizer, can I get Moderna? Or is it better to get Pfizer if I had Moderna?
To set the record straight, we talked with clinical pharmacy manager at SSM Health St. Louis University Hospital, who's also board certified in infectious disease.
Right now, the only vaccine that we are able to give a booster on is the Pfizer. And that's the only way that's the only one that's been FDA approved.
So Pfizer is approved as a booster for adults 65 and older, as well as people in high-risk professions and adults 18 to 64 with underlying health conditions. A Johnson & Johnson booster has not been approved by the FDA or CDC yet, and neither has the Moderna booster. But Moderna has been approved for certain people to receive a third dose.
A third dose would be for somebody who is maybe immunocompromised and gets a third dose to help boost their initial immune response.
So the FDA has not approved getting a different kind of vaccine as your booster than the one you initially got, even though there are some studies to show that may actually boost your immune system even more in certain circumstances. But then again, there are no vaccine police to arrest you if you do. Live in Lafayette Square, Russell Kinsall, News 4.